This is my work project in Ras Al Khaimah, Rujo restaurant. Rujo. This is my working. Is AC, air conditioning, ducting. All my working in Ras Al Khaimah. ये रोजो रेस्टोरेंट न्यू ओपनिंग. All AC I am working here. This is Rojo restaurant.